Hello guys, welcome back. I am not just showing you. I'm just showing you my zoo brainlet. Here is it. First we have Stink Frigo Camelo is mythic, and second Orange Trick and Trick is Smoky. And same and Los Deck Bros and Ballerina Cappuccina and Trick and Treat. Oh, I forgot. Sorry, I was offline. I was not making videos because I am not making it because I'm too bored. And here's Rib Sahur. Spooky too. Wait, guys. And ready to go. And we have Loud Joe. Oh my god. Loud Joe. Loud Jacko. And Rib Sahur but Stink. And La Besok Halloween is Halloween Street too. Same. Pumpkin Larilla and Love. Just a bit. Guys, that's it. Make sure follow my friend. My friend she's so rich. She's so rich on Plant vs. Brainrot. She don't know how to play this game because I will be her friend. She always be here. Always be here. Okay. So beautiful. My friend's name is Ken asterisk 6130. Okay, friend her. Okay.